Hi besties, good morning. How are you doing? Good afternoon, good evening. We say it is morning. I've just woken up. I've done my skincare and did a little bit of face beat. Done my eyebrows, my edges, and I've applied my lip gloss. So I want us to spend the day together. Yeah, subscribe if you haven't. Comment, like, and share. Look at my skin. So besties, I've been thinking how it has been long since I uploaded a video, and I just picked up my camera and said I must motivate myself because I wanna make this content my day work. I wanna earn some money from content. So subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Comment, like, and share my videos. I think I've tried these ages. Yeah, I've ate. Literally, that is the work of my hands. Yeah, subscribe if you haven't. Comment, like, and share my video. So in the kitchen, I wanna prepare porridge. I want us to prepare porridge together. Then we spend this day together, right? Yeah. And by the way, I DIY'd a face scrub. Not face scrub, body scrub. Let me show you. So this is the body scrub that I made. It contains sugar, salt, vinegar, or shower gel. What else? Baking powder and castor oil. Yeah, that is what I was looking for, and castor oil. So instead of buying, try and DIY your scrub at home. So look at my skin. It is very soft, very soft. This one is so good. This bottle I was using apricot shower gel from apricot, but since I finished it, I have not bought another shower gel, so I decided to make mine. And I didn't have coffee, so I added tea leaves. This one, it works magic, by the way. So if you don't have coffee, or coffee maybe it's far from where you are, you can literally use tea leaves, but not the one with ginger. This the normal one that is not flavored here. So here are the ingredients: sugar, salt, vinegar, or if you don't have vinegar, you can use lemon juice. Then you can use shower gel. If you don't have a shower gel, you can swap for, you take the normal bar soap, the one that you used to maybe use Dove, you use any shower soap that you use, then you put it in water, it melts, then you add then castor oil. If you don't have castor oil, use coconut oil or olive oil. Yeah, but I've used castor oil because I don't have the olive oil and the coconut oil. So you can swap with what suits you. So you look at what you have, you break down. I've yapped too much, but that is how I've made mine. And it smells so good. You might think I've bought this shower, and it leaves your body smooth, like smooth. So subscribe, like, and share my videos. I love my eyebrows. And for the skin, for my face, I'm literally going to buy a certain skincare product, but in 2 to 3 weeks, because I'm saving up. We need to save out for everything, not just to wake up and then buy. I'm saving up for that skincare. I want the serum, the vitamin C serum, the cleanser, sunscreen, and the moisturizer. But currently, I'm using the snail repair cream from Wakali. Is it Wakali or from Wakali? Is it Wakali or Vokali? I got it from Kilimon. I'm gonna show you in a few. It's in my bedroom, but I'm in the kitchen. So let us prepare porridge. Then we continue. I've yapped for 3 hours. Subscribe. So this is how I literally cook my porridge. First, put the flour, then water, and I start stirring while the besties, this is the progress of my porridge. Don't mind the background. Just in the morning, I've not done any cleaning. I want us to do the cleaning together. So subscribe if you haven't, comment, like, and share my videos. By the way, my mood is high. I've just been recording a certain content, not content, a reel, saying that when you feel good, not that. This is how it goes. When you look good, you feel good. And when you feel good, your mood is high. And that is what I'm feeling now. I'm feeling so good. My mood is so high. Today I'm feeling so happy, by the way. Tell me I'm not. I've done my eyebrows. I'm feeling so good. Yeah. By the way, how long do you wait for your porridge to boil? Because this one is around 1 to 2 minutes. It has been boiling this way. I think it's ready. It's ready. Yeah. So we wanna take porridge and some bananas, and we'll call that our breakfast. Bestie, this look has it. Imagine I'm just at home and I'm looking this beautiful. My skin is, don't mind this one. I'm on it's that time of the month, the girl is new, that is why I'm breaking out, but after some 2-3 days I'll be fine. Yeah, yo, I love my skin. If there is something I love about myself, my skin, because that is my skin. Who else will love it if I don't love it? Yeah, I love it. I love my skin because that is my skin. Who else should love my skin if not me? If not me. Yo, let me go and take breakfast, then we'll catch up later. I love you, besties. So this is how I cool my porridge for my baby. For those who don't know, I'm a mom of one cute boy. So this is how I cool his porridge. I've placed in this is water. Yeah, so I'm cooling it because I wanna give it to him. So subscribe, like, and share my videos, besties. Are you getting the noise he's making? Because he's so hungry. So I wanna go and feed him. Yeah, I'm a mom of one cute boy and I love it. I love it for me. But I hear someone say, at least I don't have a child. Girl, I have one and I show up more than you, better than you all. Yeah, I have one and I love him so much. He's my everything. He's my everything. He's my everything. He's my everything. In a list of people, important people in my life, he comes first. Then follow my mom and the rest. Yeah. Then my partner. This, I washed my clothes. I'm in the countryside, by the way. That's why you're seeing a lot of trees. I washed my clothes. Yeah. Then I want us to, that is my plant. It's getting some sun. Yeah. So bestie, this is what I'm gonna have for lunch. It is eggs, the scrambled eggs, and spaghetti. It is yummy, I'm sure. So this is my lunch. Subscribe if you haven't, comment, like, and share my videos. So thank you for watching until this point, because I don't know if I will vlog because simu yangu imeanguka ika-crack kwa kona and I'm demotivated. But thank you for watching until this point. Subscribe, like, share my videos, help me grow this channel, please. And let your friends know that there is a certain YouTuber called Vlogs by Purity who is uploading homemaking videos. So subscribe, like, and share her content. I love you all. Till next time. Bye bye. I love you, besties. And by the way, I forgot to tell you that I love this my plates. I got them from Food Rich Kenya. It's on Instagram, even TikTok, yeah, even Facebook. So go buy from them and tell them that I send you. Yeah. Thank you.